Hello everyone. Some updates have been made to the open-source F5-TTS integration package of Shanghai Jiaotong University. Solve the problem of short text announcement. Increase the call of the interface. Demonstrate how to access other AI applications. Double-click to start.
You can stop right there, Leon.
If you enter a short text in the old version, there will be a popping sound. The new version solves this problem.
Hello. Hello. Ni hao. Ni hao.
Double-click to start the interface service. The upper part is the internet address and the lower part is the LAN address. Enter the address and parameters in the browser.
测试，你欠我20.9万元。
Modify the parameters to modify the tone.
测试，你欠我20.9万元。
Open open source reading. Create a new reading engine.
“熬好了粥。”赵家4人便1人端着一碗，并排蹲在廊下，借着灶台的火光，滋溜滋溜地喝了起来。等肚子里填了点热粥，大伯又有力气唉声叹气了。哎，这都第4天了，怎么还没消息？我看老爷子是凶多吉少了。
Open Cobalt CPP 1.7.
“你好，这里是测试。” Hi there, good to see you. Oh, there you are. I was just about to go look for you.
Open the tavern. Note that the public directory should be overridden for upgrading. Choose a voice for the character.
Huh. Yes, sir.
Open Quicker Action page. Click to add an action.
那个编辑果然十分高兴。
Thank you for watching. This is Lu Yu's technical blog.